Hello friends, greetings. In this video, we are going to see how can we perform forecasting using Power BI. Welcome to How to VLN channel, and this is Utilities VLN stream. Let's get started. For our exercise, we need data. I have already opened Power BI for desktop. I'm going to enter the data, the test data that I have generated. So I'm pasting this. So let's load the data we wanted for our testing. Okay, it already converted the date formats properly. You see here, that's total and this is free. Now we wanted to forecast for September 2023 how much of free space I will have, and then so on. So it's a very simple linear forecasting. Let's see if Power BI is able to handle it. Alright, so we have the data here. Now let's go ahead and do the reporting. So we do not have any visuals here. Let me just build a visual. You see here, I have the data hierarchy, right? That by default is populated. I select this and I select this too. So this is the table. I wanted it to be in a line chart. So you see here, I'm able to see the trend data, isn't it? So it shows me in sum, but I don't want it in sum, right? So how do I avoid this? I don't want any aggregation. If so, let me just delete this and show you. This by default will not be available for you. So what I'm going to show you is that you go here and yeah, minimize this. Yeah, just go here and create hierarchy. This will avoid aggregation. This is one of the important feature of Power BI. Okay, so then you see now there is no aggregation versus it has so many aggregation. It's aggregating and it's creating a sum field. We don't want that, right? So we want the actual data to be plotted. So now you see I have my data without any aggregation. Now I have data until August 2023, which is what my data table has. Now I wanted to forecast for September 2023 and so on for next 4 months. What would be my free space? Alright, to do that, you go here and you don't see, this is the analytics pane, okay? You don't see the forecasting option at all. Where do I go and do forecasting? All these are trend lines. We don't really have forecasting. In order to bring the forecasting option, you cannot have two measures. You need to have only one measure. Alright. So let's remove one measure. So we remove the total. So we wanted to forecast the free because total is almost constant all the time. So now you see guys, forecasting came up. So it's off. Now let's turn it on. Now you see here automatically it started plotting the data. It plotted the sum of free September, October, November. All this color is different, right? So it shows in a different color, right? So I have confidence level 95, automatic seasonality, and the number of points is 10. It almost forecast from August 2023 to June 2024. You see here it's showing us minus 20. So this is how the forecasting works. Let's see if it is able to show in a different chart also. So let's see if no, it doesn't show as well. Yeah, only line chart I think, or I think in the um, Microsoft website I saw line chart and few other charts only can do this forecasting. So I think this is good, right? So you're able to see the number, and this is a linear chart, so there is no challenge with forecasting as such. You see here August is 30, September is 25, October is 20, so it's linear. But I'm going to do a play where I will change the pattern and see if Power BI is able to predict them fine. Thanks team. Thanks for joining with me until now. I hope you liked this video. If you really like it, give me a thumbs up and then subscribe to How to VLN channel. Thank you.